Hello, I'm Danny Koontz, Director of Relationship Management for Windy City, and welcome to FM Corner. Today's lesson that we're going to speak about is the less method. So you go, what does that mean? What's he talking about? It's 3 words that I think will help guide your success as a facility manager. L is for listen, E is for educate, and S is for support. It's very easy. 3 common things, but very important things that we all need to do. You've heard me speak before, but be a listener. Be a person that listens to your team, listen to your operations team, listen to your vendor partner, listen to all those people. Don't make a rash decision. Listen and get all the points. There's nothing worse, especially if you're a facility manager and you're dealing with a vendor partner and you get a third of the story and you pick up the phone and call your vendor partner and take them to task, only to find out there's a whole nother piece of that story you didn't take the time to listen to. And then you got to make that part 2 phone call. And that's the one where you apologize because I'm really sorry because I was wrong. Take the time, listen, get the whole story, spend some time deciding on what your action plan is going to be, but make sure you know everything about what happened, or at least as much as you possibly can before you do that. Listen to other people. Listen to ideas from other people. Lots of folks have ideas that possibly could help you, or just suggestions. Take the time to listen. Be a good listener, and always thank people for the time that they've spent talking, having a conversation, because in every conversation you have, you should learn something. So thank them for taking that time, because it's given you one more pillar of learning that you've had. Second piece is educate. When the time is there, it's a member of your team, it's a vendor partner, it's a person in operations. Educate. Show them the whys. Show them how something happened. Show them what caused it. Show them the things that go on. Take that time, not just you need to get that fixed. Let me show you why this is a problem. You always want to know what the whys were, so give it to your customer or to your vendor partner. Spend that time educating. Take the time in ops meetings when they have them. Every ops meeting that's out there, if you're a facility manager, ask to get 15 minutes to talk. Get up in front of them and explain a couple things that happen in their restaurants every day and give them a solution, something you can help with. So they look at you as a partner and you're trying to help them. So educate. Do everything you can. If someone doesn't understand, do whatever you have to make sure that by the time you're finished, they do understand what you're talking about. You may have to figure it out 3 or 4 different ways to explain it. That's okay. Once they ever get it, they'll know it forevermore. Take the time. Take the time to educate. And third is support. You have to be a supporting member to your team. Help others take a bad situation, figure out how to make it better. When your team needs you, anticipate that and be there for them to help them. If they're in a tough situation trying to handle something and they're just not making it happen, don't just take it over. Go to them and ask, can I help you with this? Would you like me to make a phone call? Would you like me to have that conversation with our vendor partner? Maybe that's hard for you. I'll be glad to do it. I would like you to listen because maybe there's something in there that will help you the next time that you need to do it. But you're offering that support, and support is in different ways. Don't take it from them, or don't say, watch this, I'll show you how to do it. That's not what they're looking for. Support. You're trying to be a teacher. So use those opportunities as a teacher. But as a facility manager, listen, educate, and support. And that's your team, that's your customer, whoever you're servicing, that's your vendor partner, that's anybody you can. That's my story for today. Certainly appreciate it. Welcome any comments that you may have. Thank you for listening. And remember, advice is always free in FM Corner. I'll see you next week. Thank you.